Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back on my new powerful topic, how to rewire your reality and how to change your reality and how to reprogram your new reality. Hi, I am Priyanka. Welcome on my YouTube channel. Let's start without wasting any time. Pause with me for just a second. Imagine this. If every thought in your mind was projected on a giant screen and the entire world was watching, would you be proud of what they see? Or would you want to hide? Hear the truth no one told you. Your thoughts may be invisible, but they are never private. Every thought you think is a signal, and this signal shapes the way people treat you, the opportunities that show up, and the reality you are living right now. The science of thought signal. Let me explain. Neuroscience calls this neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself. When you think the same thought again and again, I am not good enough, I never have enough money, nothing ever works out for me, your brain wire it as your truth. And because your mind is like a projector, it reflects that belief into the outside world. So life keeps giving you the same problem again and again. Here a simple metaphor. Think of your brain like a radio station. If you keep tuning into the lack and fear frequency, guess what kind of music plays? Only song of struggle, but the moment you change the situation and station, the music change instantly. Why life keeps repeating? Have you noticed how the same pattern repeat in your life? The same toxic boss, the same financial struggle, the same heartbeat. It feels like bad luck, but it's not. It's your inner script playing on repeat. I want you to think of one repeating pattern in your own life. Got it? That's not random. That's your inner signal. Now I give a shift formula. Here the good news. The moment you shift the signal, reality has no choice but to rearrange itself. So here's a 24-hour challenge for you. Every time a negative thought shows up, replace it with one powerful sentence. I am already living my best life. I am already living my best life. Say it, feel it, act from it. Let's try it right now. Close your eyes for 30 seconds. Say to yourself, I am already living my best life. Take a breath and say, I am already living my best life. Take a deep breath and say, I am already living my best life. Notice how your body feels lighter. That's your brain firing new neurons, building a new future. Now I give ancient wisdom and modern proof. Now some of you might think, is this just positive thinking? No. This is ancient wisdom meeting modern science. Neville Goddard called it the law of assumption. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and it must harden into fact. Modern neuroscience call it visualization and proves that when athletes visualize training, their brain fire the same neuron as actual physical practice. Different language, same truth. Change the signal, change the reality. What is interactive reflection? Now I want you to reflect. What's one thought that hold you back the most? Maybe it's I am unlucky in love, or money never stay with me, or I don't deserve success. Pause. Write it down in the comments. Don't be afraid. When you name it, you release it. Now, rewrite it. Example, I am unlucky in love becomes love flows easily to me. Money never stay becomes money loves being with me. Type your new belief in the comment right now, not just for me, but to declare it to the universe. Remember, when thousands of people rewrite their inner story together, energy shifts worldwide. The transformation call to action. So let's close this session. Your thoughts are signals, your mind is a projector, your life simply playing the movie you keep running inside. You don't need to wait years for change. Change one thought and you start a new frequency today. For the next 24 hours, play the new movie. I am already living my best life. Now I am already living my best life. And watch how quickly life began to respond. If this message speaks to you, hit subscribe right now, because this is the space where transformation is not optional, it's inevitable. And for those who are ready for a deeper shift, I invite you into my 1-to-1 session where we rewire the subconscious completely. Your new life is not waiting in the future, it's already here. You just need to step in. Thank you for watching. Meet in next video. Thank you.